Hi everybody, it's Jesse with WeBook Travel, and this is the Sheraton Kauai at Coconut Beach. Hi everybody, this is Jesse with WeBook Travel. We're in room 444 here at the newly refurbished Sheraton Kauai at Coconut Beach. As soon as you come in, here off to the left we have our closet space. We have a mini safe inside. And you have an ironing board and iron for the needs that you might have. Plenty of space in here though to hang up all the things that you need. From here we'll go ahead and take a look in the bathroom. You've got a single vanity in this bathroom, plenty of towels. They've got the hair dryer and other items that you might need. Inside the shower you've got the shower with the shower wand and head as well. It's a pretty standard bathroom for the most part. Frankly, you know, the room is pretty nice. We've got a wonderful vaulted ceiling here. This is on the 4th floor, which is the topmost floor of this particular resort. You've got a double bed in this particular one, but they also have a king-size bed as well. We had a nice little make your own Mai Tai gift dropped off in our room, along with some snacks for us to be able to try out, some local fruits. Plenty of storage space, great big large television inside of here. We've got a little seating space over here where you can sit and read. I do like the mural that they have on the wall where you see the wave crashing over as well, and this maybe will give you a little bit better shot of how tall the vaulted ceilings are in this particular room. The 4th floor is the only one that obviously will have those. But really what you come here for is this view. So let's take a quick walk out here onto the balcony. Little tiny balcony, but what an amazing view. I think you'll agree with me. This is a great spot to take a look at. This is a newly refurbished property, so this pool actually just opened today from what I've been told. The pool's brand spanking new. Over here, that's a bar and restaurant that is also brand new, just opened last week. They've got some fire pits down here. And of course, you've got the beauty of the ocean here in Kauai. So I hope you enjoyed this peek at this particular property. For more wonderful videos, do us a favor and give us a like and a subscribe if you would. We'd be happy to share more info with you as we go along. And if you do need to book any sort of vacations, we'd also love the opportunity to help you out with that. You can find us on webooktravel.net, or you can give us a call. All of our information is posted on this video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.